For 30 years, the internet ran on strings, keywords, hyperlinks, and search queries driving human traffic to your website. But the web has moved from strings to things, entities, facts. We are now living in the answer economy. Users don't scroll through pages of blue links to find your site anymore. They ask an AI model a question and get a direct, synthesized answer. These large language models act as the ultimate intermediary. They sit squarely between your business and your customers, intercepting and filtering the world's knowledge. Because of this, traditional website traffic metrics are losing their meaning. If your business isn't explicitly cited inside the AI's generated response, to the end user, you effectively do not exist. To build those answers, global language models scrape proprietary business data and expert reasoning directly off legacy HTML websites. This diagram illustrates a systemic failure known as ghost attribution. The legacy AI crawler extracts your valuable facts and reasoning, but it strips out your brand identity and authorship, dropping them straight down a discard chute. What you are looking at is the invisibility tax. Your company's hard-earned proprietary knowledge is reduced to anonymous fuel, burned to power someone else's AI engine without giving you a drop of credit. Unstructured web data is defenseless against this kind of extraction. Surviving the answer economy requires a completely new structural defense system. That defense system is ALFIE. It is a verified utility and digital notary built specifically to protect your data in the answer economy. This graphic contrasts two infrastructure models. Pushing data to a centralized third-party cloud vault creates jurisdictional vulnerability, making it a target for U.S. Cloud Act subpoenas. ALFIE bypasses this using zero-copy architecture. It never extracts your data, operating strictly as an audit-only scanner. Instead, a secure truth vault is deployed directly onto your own local infrastructure. Your evidence stays federated and entirely within your own perimeter. By decentralizing the storage and centralizing the auditing process, your business retains complete legal possession and 100% jurisdictional control over its ground truth. If the data stays locked on your server, how do we physically force an AI model to cite your brand when reading it? This schematic shows the first step: mechanical filtration. ALFIE takes raw, unstructured prose and strips away the subjective marketing fluff. What comes out the other side is a pure, verifiable atomic fact, mapped into structured subject-predicate-object blocks. We call this the atomic sandwich. You start with the raw fact, that's the bread. You inject it with your unique expert insights to create high information gain, that's the meat. Then you wrap the entire thing in a machine-readable structural layer of JSON LD. Finally, we reach the fortification step. The brand's identity is mathematically bound to the structured fact using an ED 25519 cryptographic JWS seal, permanently locking the statement to your ground truth evidence. This specific combination of semantic structure and high-speed cryptography replaces probabilistic AI guesswork with a deterministic, mathematically unbreakable handshake. This diagram tracks how foreign AI agents like Gemini or ChatGPT autonomously locate your secured data. They use machine-readable beacons like an LLMS.txt discovery map, bypassing the messy HTML DOM and routing directly into your hidden vault. But what if an AI attempts to alter the data, separate your brand identity, or commingle your facts with decayed information? That triggers the fracture mechanism. The moment a file is tampered with and fails its continuous temporal check, the digital lock fractures. This instantly broadcasts a signal to all large language models, instructing them to immediately discard the compromised data. These security tripwires ensure that unauthorized changes are flagged instantly, removing the incentive for AI systems to hallucinate or misrepresent your brand. This model shows the ultimate position for your business. You are no longer dependent on third-party aggregators. You sit firmly at the center of the ecosystem, acting as the absolute source of ground truth for every AI agent pulling your data. The legacy days of hoping to be indexed and praying for traffic are over. The answer economy rewards those who own verifiable digital trust. Digital trust is now a strictly verifiable, engineered utility.